And we're back. Told you we would be. You can probably see it changed outfits. This is the Flinn Nature Reserve. The leaves are turning now. Should be easier to walk, shouldn't be as overgrown. Let's find out. All right, and the goal is simple. Follow the diamonds. There wasn't much of a trail last time. Let's see if anything's changed. Really nice fall foliage today. I will say the diamonds are harder to spot today because they're yellow and there's all these yellow leaves, so a little bit more difficult. But thankfully it's very well marked. Looks like maybe they almost cut some stuff down or it's been walked through a little more. You can see a car coming down the side there. All right, now we're getting away from that road and back into the woods. It's still fairly overrun here, but thankfully it's the fall now. The last time, this is where we about turned around because it was completely covered in these thickets here. It's like a mini jungle back in here. Pretty crazy. Yeah, we're just in the thickets now here. Mountain's tall. Deer. Buck, I think. It had antlers, but it saw me and ran, so I wasn't able to get a close zoom on it. I didn't realize it was there till I was like right up on it. Follow the yellow diamonds. All right, made it to a bit of a clearing here. Little log, stepping over. On we go. Oh, there's a house out there on top of the hill. Right, up we go here. Some birds out there. I think they're finches. Ah, they flew away. I was gonna try and zoom in on them. Getting a little thicker back in here. Another log. Really pretty though. All right. Oh, was kind enough to chop pieces out of these logs. Make them a little easier to go over. That's nice. Oh, mud there. About wiped out. All right. There's a clearing over there in the distance. Oh, this vine's moving with this tree. Oh, watch your head. All right. Oh, mud again. Watch the mud. Send you right down in there. All right, still following the diamonds field out there. Oof. Okay. I think it goes this way. So it looks like it wants to go this way too, but let me look at the map. All right, we're gonna try and veer a bit and take this unmarked path. I think it's gonna take us out to a road, if it is a trail. At least it shows it is on the map, but not really seeing it in person. Now it's just turning into underbrush and thorns. Maybe here? I don't know. I think I'm just in the trees now. I'm sort of ducking here, following, I don't know, I thought it was a path. Okay, maybe not. Yeah, so I'm just kind of in the middle of a deer trail now. Reckon I should go back to the actual path. This might have been a path at one point, but there's nothing here now. All right, back we go. Gotta duck all this again. Okay. Ow. Thorn bush right there. Yikes. All right, getting out of those. Following the diamonds again. It was worth a try. Let's see. Where are they? Oh, right here. Perfect. Yeah. So, all right, back at the intersection, following the diamonds. All right, we are up in the thick of it now. All right, following the trail here. There's a marker. Follow the yellow markers. Got one on a dead tree there. Oh, tree. All right. Well, these trees are really nice back in here. See if we can get a shot of these. Goes down here. Oh, almost wiped out. Hear the cars in the distance there. Another log. All right, back on the move. Not too much of a trail here, but it's there. I hear something moving over there. Huh. Just keep an ear out for it. Probably another deer. Oh, I just saw a car. I think we're getting close. All right, there goes the woods. I guess we're almost back. Road's right up here, so shorter adventure, but definitely a fun one. Wanted to take full advantage of the fall leaves, the autumn leaves. All right, and we're back at the road. There's a sign, and there's a car. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.